Hi, everyone who's doing recording and producing in Hungary. I have to say you're a part of my family because my family is Hungarian and my mother speaks Hungarian. So I grew up in a house with Hungarians. And so I wish the best for all of you. Don't be afraid to try new things, okay? Be patient and find people with good music and record them, even if you have to do it for free for a while. And then also, I just want you to know one thing here over on the studio, in the studio, don't be afraid to try some cheese on your guitar. Sometimes cheese sounds really good. Depends on the type of cheese though. You have to have a good salty cheddar or Gouda, but don't be afraid of cheese, all right? Is that it? Did you get me? Okay. Well, good luck with all of that. Okay, bye.